This is Skye The Soulful Progressive with FNN-Feminist News Network, the feminist news that's giving you soulful food. Alright, so what we're going to do today, level up the leftovers, of course. And what are we going to be leveling up? Our mix on the overnight oatmeal for breakfast. Yeah, but we're going to level it up with some oat bran, some peach preserves that we found, almond milk, and instead of yogurt, we're going to use. So let's take a look at how we level up the leftovers for breakfast. Alright. We're going to level up the leftovers by doing the overnight oatmeal with new ingredients. We have some yogurt drink instead of using yogurt, with some all natural golden peach preserve, oat bran, almond milk, organic mixed berries. Here's the cup. We're going to do one clear one just so you can see. Alright, now it's time to level up. Okay, I put a half a cup of oats in each, and now I'm just gonna pour just a touch of milk in each, and then we're gonna flavor them up. But before I do that, I'm gonna sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of bran in each. Alright. Of course, I mix it up once I put the bran in. Alright, there, mix them. Now add the milk. So I have some Greek yogurt drink, and I'm going to pour a little bit in each, and that'll make up for not having the yogurt. There you go. Not too much, because we don't want to drown it in there. Alright, and then we put our flavors in. Okay, so I got some organic almond butter and some Big Island honey that I got from Rufus's place. I added the honey to all of them. Yum. But I got a mix of the berries with the honey, the peach preserve with the honey, and the almond butter with the honey. Now we're going to mix it, wait overnight, and see what we get. Ooh, I can't wait. Mix it well now. That is mixed real good. I thought it would be cute to add some leftover McNuts to the almond butter one. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to let these sit overnight with tops on them and see what they're like in the morning. It isn't as bright and red as we started, but it's still good and delicious. Okay, so, oh, you can't see with the glasses on. Alright, oh, leave the glasses on. Okay. Okay, so, this is really good. I'm glad I added the bran instead of some cheese, because it adds that raisin bran-esque element that makes the oatmeal really taste good, with the honey, the almond butter, the McNuts, just a touch of the Greek mixed berry yogurt, adding just a touch of fruity to it. It is really good. I can't wait to try the other ones. I'm already at the bottom. And it swelled up all the way to the top. That was good. You saw it. It's really good. I think I'll do this from now on. And I really like it with the bran, because I love bran flakes. That cheese, you could keep that all day long, honey. But this oatmeal added with this bran, and good for you, huh? Who knew? Alright. most definitely the raw honey adds the right amount of sweetness to it. You better believe that. Yeah. So, if you enjoy these healthy, treats and recipe ideas that are good for you, contact me at feministnewsn@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and the Facebook page. And remember, this is our new Feminist Cooks list and series. So, we're helping feminists around the world eat healthier, wiser, and smarter. And just using leftover stuff you got around the house, come on. Wow. Leveling up your breakfast is a good way of getting healthy, I'm telling you. And you sleep while it cooks, ready for you in the morning. All you got to do is grab it and go to work. And you got the energy for the day. Hey, yeah, who knew? So, I'm a one-woman team, yes indeed. So you can always contact me or make a donation to PayPal me/Feminist News Network. And remember to level up. Alright. And I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Thanks for leveling up with me. Yeah, this didn't have a 420 option at all. No, you don't put peanut butter in this. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. And thanks for leveling up with FNN Cooks Healthy. All right. Peace.